y'all, hi, Amanda here, and today we are filming my April 2023 Medusa's makeup unbagging. We are back to the bag, but it's got this really fun little makeup print on it. It's really cool. Now, before we get into it, I don't actually have any new items to share with you guys, although I am wearing the Ilia concealer just on its own, and I think it looks really good. It's such a good match for me. I do have a lighter face on today since I did have a cold all week. My nose is a little peely from blowing my nose a million times, so we went real light today, but I still think it's cute. Anyway, let's go ahead and get into this bag. So here's our card this month, just this very pretty girl with her makeup done really nicely. Looks like we're getting 5 items, so let's get into them. So the first item we've pulled out is a lipstick. Now let's see, this is the Medusa's makeup lipstick in the color YOLO, which is a $14 value. It does say YOLO on the card, so everyone should be getting this color. I do love their little box packaging. I think it's just really well designed. And we'll get in to the lipstick itself. Now, their lipstick tubes are a cheaper plastic, but they are pretty nice. They've got the metallic logo on there. And here is the color. It's actually very similar to the one that I have on dabbed lightly with gloss today. Actually, let me pull that out. So here's what I'm wearing today, and here's what just came in the bag. Kind of funny. So I have this just lightly dabbed with gloss, and this is a Bite mini sample lipstick in the color Kimchi. So very similar. But anyway, back to YOLO. Here's what it looks like. And then we'll go ahead and swatch. And there's how it swatches. Really pretty, really bright. I guess it's kind of nice that I got this in a full size since this is a mini. I already know I like the color because I'm wearing it. So I'll definitely be keeping this because I really like the shade personally. And this is only going to last like a few wears anyway. So yeah, I guess we could just kind of pretend that's the color. The next item we have is a balm from Lovebird. This is one of their tinted lip balms. This is in the color Peck, and it looks like it's a yellowy color from the packaging. And everyone is getting this color, and it's a $10 value. So let me get the plastic off, and we'll take a look at it. Okay, I got the plastic off. Let's open it up. It almost seems like this is a cream color. Like, it looks like that is actually the solid color. But because it's really sheer, it doesn't really appear to be anything more than a creme sheen on the hand. I'm gonna have to see how this operates on the lips. I'm so fascinated by that. Maybe it'll just be like frosty on the lips. I have no idea, but we'll definitely have to dig into this and give it a try. Also, I do like this Lovebird Tinted Balm formula. I've gotten 2 of these. I have a pink one that I have in my little cup over by my work setup over here because it just looks nice to pop on your face right before a Zoom call or something. It just adds a little life. I did have a darker color that appeared more brown on my particular lips that I did end up giving away because I just don't think I suited it very well. But the formula is really well made, and it's very comfortable to wear too. The next item we have is the Medusa's Makeup Setting Spray. We got 1 ounce of this, and it looks like, oh, there's actually a lot of ingredients in here. There are a couple fragrant things, I think, but the thing I'm most concerned about is the denatured alcohol, which is the 3rd ingredient, which I don't love. I'm gonna have to think on whether I'd actually use this or not, but it's a $12 value. And it looks like a little metal container on the picture, but it is a black plastic container. I don't know if that really matters. The imagery, of course, of Medusa, really cool. But I have to think about if I'd actually use this or not. Why is this not focusing? So, I gotta think on that. Maybe look at my other setting sprays to see what I'm already using. I don't know if this is something I'll use or not. I also don't reach for setting sprays very often, so yeah, I gotta think about that one. The next item we have is the Mythical Eye Dust from Medusa's makeup, and this is in Chrysaor? Y'all tell me. So I don't know how to say that word, but yeah, that's the color. And of course there's the cute little unicorn on the box. Love that. And it looks like everyone is getting this color, and it's a $14 value. So let's get on in there and take a look at what this color looks like. So looking at it in the tub, kind of looks like a browny glittering shade, but I'm gonna actually try and get this swatched with a brush instead of my finger, because it's hard to kind of get all this dust on your finger and get a really pretty swatch. Okay, let's see if I can manage to do this on camera. So the color is gorgeous. Look at that. That's beautiful. So it is kind of sparkling brown. Looks like there's gold shimmers in there, and maybe pink ones too, like larger gold ones and then finer pink ones. It's really, really beautiful. I can't wait to use that color. I think that's going to be lovely. Really impressed with that. And then here is our last product. This is from Trifle Cosmetics, and it is the Cheek Chiffon, and it's a $9.50 value. Here's the packaging, cute little cake, gold lettering. So it looks like we're getting a highlighter and a blush in this compact. It's Moon Glow is the name of the highlighter, and Matte Peach is the name of the blush. So here's what it looks like. Get the lid off. Here's the colors. So pretty muted tones. Let's go ahead and swatch them. I will say I don't love how small this is. I feel like this is going to be difficult to get a brush into just one and into just the other. Okay, so here are the swatches. This is the highlighter and this is the blush. They both actually look really pretty. And I can't wait to try them for you, but I feel like I'm going to be really annoyed dipping my brush into the tiny, tiny compact. It is a good size for travel though, so at least there's that. Doesn't appear there's any sort of holographic or iridescence to the highlighter, just a straight shimmery champagne highlighter, which is really pretty, and you know, they don't always have to be crazy. And then the peach blush is very much a straight up peach blush. It is exactly what it says it is, and I appreciate that. I love a literalness to things. So the whole box is actually really gorgeous. I don't think that the pink lipstick necessarily plays with the look for the rest of these. I think this makes a cohesive look, and then this is kind of just the outlier, but I do love that anyway. I'm really happy with this box. Except for maybe the setting spray. It's not the most interesting thing to me. I don't even know if I'm going to keep it. But everything else I'm really happy with. I'm going to go ahead and give it an A just because I like all these items so much. So I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing, and if you did, you can give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them down below. If you'd like to stick around for a while, you can hit the subscribe button. As always, anything I'm wearing, if it is purchasable and recent enough, I will link it down below, and otherwise I will talk to you all later.